Excuse me, could you please help me with something? I'm a bit lost and need some directions right now.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you out today. Where are you trying to go exactly in this area?
I'm looking for the central train station, please. Do you know how to get there from here by any chance?
Yes, I know exactly where that is. It's not too far from here at all. Maybe 10 minutes walking distance.
Oh, that's great news. I was worried it might be really far away from this location I'm standing at.
No worries at all. Let me give you clear directions so you don't get lost on the way there today.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Should I write down the directions or can I just remember them?
It might be good to write them down just in case. Do you have a pen and paper with you?
Actually, I can use my phone to take notes instead. Let me just open the Notes app really quickly here.
Perfect. That works even better. Okay, so first you need to walk straight down this street for about 3 blocks.
Walk straight for 3 blocks. Got it. Should I stay on this side of the street or cross over?
Stay on this side for now. After 3 blocks, you'll see a big supermarket on your left-hand side there.
A big supermarket on the left side. Okay. What's the name of the supermarket so I can recognize it?
It's called Fresh Market. It has a green sign that's pretty hard to miss when you're walking by it.
Fresh Market with a green sign. Perfect. What should I do when I reach that supermarket building exactly?
When you get to Fresh Market, turn right at the corner. You'll be on Maple Street at that point.
Turn right onto Maple Street. Got it. How long should I walk down Maple Street before doing something else?
Walk down Maple Street for about 2 more blocks. You'll pass a coffee shop and a small bookstore along the way.
A coffee shop and a bookstore. Okay, that helps me know I'm going the right way the whole time.
Exactly. Those landmarks will help you stay on track. After those 2 blocks, you'll come to a traffic light.
All right, I walk 2 blocks and then I reach a traffic light. What should I do at that intersection?
At the traffic light, you need to cross the street carefully. The train station will be right in front of you.
So the train station is right there after I cross. That sounds pretty easy to find after all these steps.
Yes, you really can't miss it. The station is a large gray building with big glass doors at the entrance.
A large gray building with glass doors. Excellent. Is there a sign that says Central Train Station on it?
Yes, there's a huge sign above the entrance in blue letters. You'll definitely see it from across the street clearly.
That's perfect. Let me just repeat everything back to you to make sure I understand the directions completely now.
Good idea. It's always smart to double check directions before you start walking. Go ahead and tell me what you've got.
Okay, so I walk straight for 3 blocks until I see Fresh Market with the green sign, right?
That's exactly right. You're following along perfectly so far. What's the next step after you see Fresh Market there?
Then I turn right onto Maple Street and walk for 2 more blocks past a coffee shop and bookstore.
Perfect. You've got it exactly right. And then what happens when you reach the traffic light at that intersection?
I cross the street at the traffic light and the train station will be right in front of me.
Excellent. You have all the directions correct. I think you'll find it without any problems at all now.
Thank you so much for being so patient and clear. How long do you think this walk will take me?
Probably about 10 to 15 minutes total, depending on how fast you walk and the traffic lights you catch.
That's not bad at all. I have plenty of time before my train leaves the station this afternoon.
Oh, good. What time does your train leave? You should have more than enough time to get there comfortably.
My train leaves at 3:30 and it's only 2:45 now, so I have about 45 minutes still remaining.
You have plenty of time then. You might even have time to grab a coffee at the station before boarding.
That sounds like a nice idea. Is there a coffee shop inside the train station or just outside nearby?
There's a really good coffee shop right inside the main entrance. They have great sandwiches too if you're hungry.
Perfect. I might grab something to eat since I haven't had lunch yet today at all, honestly speaking.
Definitely do that. The station cafe has reasonable prices, and the food is pretty good quality for a train station.
That's good to know. One more question. Are there ticket machines at the station or just a counter?
There are both. The ticket machines are on the left side, and the counter is on the right side.
Great. I already bought my ticket online, so I just need to pick it up from the machine.
Easy. The machines are very user-friendly. Just enter your confirmation number, and it prints your ticket right away. Immediately.
Wonderful. You've been incredibly helpful today. I feel much more confident about finding my way there now successfully.
I'm so glad I could help you out. Is there anything else you need to know about the area?
Actually, yes. Is there a restroom at the train station? I might need to use it before my journey.
Yes, the restrooms are downstairs on the lower level. Follow the signs when you enter the main building entrance.
Downstairs on the lower level, got it. Are they free to use or do I need to pay?
They're completely free for all passengers and visitors. Very clean, too, which is nice for a public train station, honestly.
That's really good to hear. I hate paying for restrooms when I'm already spending money on travel tickets.
I completely agree with you on that. Most stations in this city have free restrooms, which is convenient for everyone.
This city seems very traveler-friendly overall. Are there information desks at the station if I need more help?
Yes, there's an information desk right in the center of the main hall. The staff there are very helpful.
Excellent. I'll keep that in mind just in case I have any other questions when I arrive there.
Smart thinking. Don't hesitate to ask the staff anything. That's what they're there for every single day at work.
You're absolutely right about that. One last thing. Is the neighborhood safe to walk through during the daytime hours?
Oh, yes, very safe. This is a busy commercial area with lots of shops and people walking around constantly.
That's reassuring to know. I always like to be aware of my surroundings when I'm in unfamiliar places.
That's a very smart habit to have, but you'll be fine here. Just keep your belongings close, like anywhere.
I will definitely do that. I always keep my bag in front of me when I'm walking in crowded areas.
Perfect. You sound like an experienced traveler. Where are you traveling to today, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm going to visit my sister in Riverside. She just had a baby and I haven't met him yet.
Oh, how exciting! Congratulations on becoming an aunt or uncle. That's such a special moment for your whole family.
Thank you. I'm an aunt, and I'm so excited to finally meet my little nephew after waiting so long.
That's wonderful. I hope you have a lovely visit with your sister and the new baby there in Riverside.
Thank you so much. I'm sure it will be amazing. I bought so many baby gifts, my bag is heavy.
How sweet of you. I'm sure your sister will really appreciate everything you're bringing for the little one today.
I hope so. I went a bit overboard with the shopping, but I couldn't help myself at the store.
That's what aunts are for, right? Spoiling their nieces and nephews is part of the job description always, isn't it?
Exactly. That's my philosophy too. I plan to be the favorite aunt who brings presents all the time forever.
I'm sure you will be. Well, you should probably start walking soon so you're not rushed later on.
You're right. I should get going now. Thank you again for all your help and the pleasant conversation too.
You're very welcome. It was nice chatting with you. Have a safe trip and enjoy your time with your family.
Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day as well. Take care of yourself.
You too. Just remember, straight 3 blocks, right on Maple, 2 blocks, then cross at the light. Easy peasy.
Got it. I have it all written down in my phone anyway. Thanks for the quick summary though.
No problem at all. Safe travels, and give that baby a hug from a friendly stranger when you arrive.
I will. That's so sweet of you to say. Goodbye and thanks once again for everything today.
Goodbye. Good luck, and don't worry, you'll find the station easily. It's really straightforward from here, I promise you.
I'm feeling confident now. Oh wait, one more quick question before I go. Are there elevators at the station?
Yes, there are elevators and escalators, both. If you have heavy bags, the elevator is near the main entrance.
Perfect. My bag is pretty heavy with all those baby gifts, so I'll definitely use the elevator going down.
Good choice. The elevator is clearly marked with signs. You won't have any trouble finding it at all, I'm sure.
Great. Okay, I really am going now. I don't want to keep asking questions and miss my train.
Of course. Get going and have fun. Enjoy every moment with your new nephew. Babies grow so fast.
They really do. My friends with kids always tell me that. I want to enjoy every second of this.
You have the right attitude. Take lots of pictures, too. Your sister will appreciate having those memories captured forever nicely.
I will. I brought my camera and my phone is fully charged. I'm ready for a photo session.
Sounds like you're all prepared. You're going to be an amazing aunt. Now, go catch that train, friend.
Thank you. You've been so kind and helpful. I wish everyone I meet while traveling was as nice as you.
That's very sweet. I try to help travelers when I can. I've been lost before too, so I understand.
We've all been there, haven't we? Getting lost is part of traveling, but kind people make it so much easier.
Absolutely true. That's why I always stop to help when someone looks confused or lost in this busy city.
The world needs more people like you. Okay, I'm really leaving now before I miss my train completely, seriously.
Yes, go, go! Enjoy your trip and don't worry about the directions. You've got this. No problem at all.
Thanks for the encouragement. I'm off now. Straight 3 blocks, right on Maple. Here I go finally, for real.
That's it. You'll do great. Have an amazing time and congratulations again on the new addition to your family.
Thank you so much. You've made my day better already. Take care and thanks for being so wonderful and patient.
My pleasure entirely. Safe journey. Oh, and if you get confused, just ask someone else. People here are friendly.
I will, but I think your directions were so clear that I won't need to ask anyone else.
I hope so. But it's good to know help is available if you need it along the way.
Absolutely. Okay, this is really goodbye now. I'm walking away. Thank you so very much.
Goodbye. Wave to that baby for me. Have the best time ever with your family. Enjoy every single precious moment.
I will. You're so thoughtful. All right, I'm taking my first step now. Wish me luck on my journey today.
Good luck. You don't need it, though. You're going to find it perfectly. Trust yourself and the directions.
I will trust the directions. Okay, straight ahead for 3 blocks. I can see the street stretching out ahead.
Perfect. Just keep walking confidently and you'll be at the station before you know it at all. I promise.
I believe you. Thanks again. Oh, there's someone else trying to get your attention over there behind me now.
Oh, looks like another person needs directions too. Good luck and have a fantastic trip. Goodbye now. Finally. Truly.
Goodbye. I hope they're as nice to help as you were to me. You're a real local hero.
You're too kind. Now go before you really do miss that train. Run along and have fun. Seriously now.
Running now, well, walking quickly at least. Thank you one final time. You're the best. Goodbye, kind stranger. Truly.
Goodbye, happy traveler. Enjoy Riverside and that sweet baby. May all your travels be smooth and your visits joyful always.
What a lovely blessing. Same to you in all your future endeavors. Take care and stay wonderful, helpful person.
Thank you. You take care too. Now seriously, go. Your train is waiting and your family is waiting too.